together.
We need stability, we need momentum, we need continuity. That's why the tradition, this event, this celebration is a very important celebration for IIE.
Students that after my term, somebody, if not more capable, but equally capable to continue the tradition. Who have been with us in the journey of transforming the chapter, no? From what was it then into what is it now. Talking about the leadership, the culture, no? The tradition, and what is it looking forward. So we are very blessed. We have people like Kim. In your time, you'll be able also to continue the legacy, the time-bound tradition and culture of continuity, momentum, and stability. Again, congratulations everyone.
As you all know, bago kita kakainin kay ano, no? But there's always time we have to rise up and serve the institute in different level. So first and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the officers and board of directors of IIEs in the chapter for placing their trust and confidence in me.
May the Lord bless and guide me and the rest of the members of the region as we embark on this new journey. Thank you and advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us.
I am filled with a profound sense of responsibility and purpose. Our organization stands at a critical junction with both significant opportunities and challenges ahead. For the year 2025, do hereby solemnly swear
The chapter president will create committees for certain purposes, appoint an executive secretary, and any other personnel that may be necessary in the IC.
I am confident in your ability to lead with dedication and vision, and that under your leadership, Marcelo A. Canitan Jr.